Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I filmed this orangey yellow gold glitter cut crease and I really love how this all came out. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. And to start off this look, I'm going to be prepping my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 and my M224 brush and just stamping that over my lid. Now I'll be taking a little liner brush and I'm going to take the James Charles X Morphe palette and dipping into both of the orange shades. And then I'll be stamping that into my crease and kind of winging it out at the end just for my cut crease. Now I'll be just dipping into the lighter orange shade from the James Charles palette and I'm going to take that on just a little buffing brush and I'm going to start buffing that into the orange and blending it in. And I'm not going to take the orange all the way to the top because I'm going to pick up the yellow shade from the James Charles palette again. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the orange, creating kind of a sunsetty look. And I'll be taking that same little liner brush and dipping into the orange shades again and just bringing that back and making it a little more bold. Picking up my M224 brush again and the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, I'm going to go ahead and start stamping out my cut crease. And once that is cut, I am not going to set it quite yet. I'm going to go ahead and take the orange shades again that I mixed on that same little buffing brush, and I'm going to start creating kind of like a wing, but I'm going to bring it all the way into past my pupil. And once I have placed the two orange shades that I mixed, I'm going to take the light orange shade again, and I'm going to just place that right on top. And then I'll be taking the yellow shade from the same palette, and I'm going to be blending that on top of the orange as well to create kind of an ombre. And there's a little space left between my orange and the top liner, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with Sugarpill's eyeshadow in the shade Taco. And since I placed the white, I'm going to go ahead and make sure the yellow and the orange is blended in and brought back just a little more. And I went ahead and did my other eye off camera. Now I'll be taking Stila Gold Goddess glitter mixed with Kitten Karma glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and line the top of my crease that I set with the white. Picking up Colourpop's highlighter in the shade Flexitarian, I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my inner corners. And I'm going to go ahead and add some yellow into my inner corner as well, since it kind of goes with the whole vibe. And I'll be going back over with that same highlighter. And then again, I'm going to add some little Mylar chunk glitter in the inner corner as well. And I'll be taking Colourpop's Disco Lady glitter and adding that to my inner corner as well. Now I'll be taking Fenty Beauty's Unbutton and Unveil lipstick, and I mixed the two to create kind of my own shade. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips and fill it in using a liner brush. And now I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Liner in the shade Milk and adding that to my waterline. And I'll be applying mascara to my top and my bottom lashes. Next, I'll be taking Anastasia X Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And I went ahead and applied a little black star on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'll be taking the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray and spraying my face, and then I'll be pressing that in with my beauty sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really love how this orange look came out. I think the glitter really adds such a nice touch to it and it really brings out the eyes. Anyway, any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload. And you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at rosaxrobles. And thank you guys again so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.